Mailchimp Forms is a powerful tool for capturing new leads through your web form, which you can integrate with OnePageCRM so you never miss out on following up. To set up the integration, go to your user profile, Apps and Integrations. Select Mailchimp Forms and install. Start by creating a form in Mailchimp. You'll find this option under the Audience tab. In the Manage Audience section, select Sign Up Forms and choose the form type you'd like from the 4 available options. You can then begin creating your form and add new fields if you wish. In each field settings menu, you must ensure that the field tag exactly matches the standard contact field names in OnePageCRM. You can check out a list of these standard fields in the OnePageCRM configuration page, which also includes advanced mapping fields. Custom fields can be added to your form by matching the field tag in Mailchimp with your custom field name in OnePageCRM. In step 2, first copy the callback URL provided in OnePageCRM. Then go to your Mailchimp audience. Under Settings, locate webhooks. Create a new webhook, then paste the copied URL into the callback URL field. Choose the updates you'd like to receive and hit Save. Back on the configuration page, move on to step 3. First, you need to input your audience ID. This is also found in Mailchimp, under Settings, Audience Name and Defaults. Copy the audience ID provided and paste it into OnePageCRM. And of course, don't miss out on following up by applying a next action, lead source, and status. Tags can also be added. Let's say if your website form contained a special offer, you can tag the contacts accordingly. Choose an owner for the contacts and whether you'd like to receive a notification email. Once saved, the configuration setup is complete. You can edit your form, and you can also connect more if you have multiple forms. To test that your integration is working, go to your web form URL, which you'll find in Mailchimp. Test it by adding your own details. And then finally, check to see if the contact was created in OnePageCRM. And that's it. You're now successfully integrated.